Once upon a time, there was a king who ruled a prosperous kingdom. One day, the king decided to travel and visit various places in his kingdom. He went to distant and remote places that his chariot couldn't reach. So, the king visited many of those sites on foot. While his journey, he got to interact with his people and learn about their lives and problems. Many people were very happy to meet the king and said how they were very happy under his rule. But the king couldn't walk long. He got severe pain in his leg. He could not tolerate the pain as he walked all the way through the rough path. He complained to his ministers that the road was uncomfortable and were very stony. And the king expressed his concern for the people who had to walk along those roads every day. For the convenience of the people, the king ordered to cover all the roads in his kingdom with leather. The king believed that this will make his people's life more convenient. The ministers were stunned to hear the absurd order from the king. Not only was the king's fantasy of having the leather pathway expensive, and it would destroy the lives of many cattle to get enough leather. A wise minister came to the king and said that he had a better idea. He took the size of the king's feet and made a nice comfortable leather shoes. Then he asked the king to wear those shoes and walk on the rough paths. The king admired the comfortable leather shoes as he did not feel any pain walking on them. The king highly appreciated the genius idea that saved money and thousands of cattle lives. Many of us criticize the world for many things. The desire to change the world all sounds very noble and grand. We blame the things around us for the struggles in our life and never remember to see inside ourselves. Changes are inevitable in the world, and the change should be from us. Remember, it's not the world that needs to change. It is ourselves. So, think differently, not like everyone thinks. Sometimes it changes everything, and your life will be 1,000 times comfortable than previous.